AI has made it so freaking easy, except you don't have a phone. And if you don't have a whatever it is that you are using to watch this particular video, you can use it to do content creation. Another thing that you guys have been sleeping on is remove background. You know how you see all these amazing features, of people putting text behind image. I've mentioned it before, and you have to do it on the app. You have to do it on apps like Canva or CapCut. That is only available for the pro version of these apps, meaning that you have to pay a certain amount in order to use these features. I watch a video on how to remove background on either video or text is in my channel. You guys, you can do all these things for free. The tools embedded in Canva and CapCut already exist. They are standalone apps. So what you need to do is that you're going to have to download all the apps. If you don't want to have to pay for CapCut Pro or Canva Pro, I guess those are the perks of paying for them, is that you don't have to go outside and doing all these things. You can do it in the app. But if you don't have, like me, because I have to buy data. So I'd rather use that money to buy data and then do all the standalone apps. So you get the standalone app, and one standalone app is the one I'm talking about right now, which is remove background for image and for video. Remove background is different for image and for video. Then for pictures is literally the easiest thing. All you need to do is upload your picture on this remove background site. It's going to remove the background, then you download it in whatever app you are designing, which is Canva or CapCut. You can download it in the app. That is how I usually do my overlays. It's like an overlay of this product, or this product, or this product, or this product. That's actually do. I go to these apps, I remove the background, and then I come back to my CapCut or my Canva and continue my editing. So this tip is actually for those that are not paying for the pro version of CapCut and Canva. You are going to enjoy remove background. Another one is scheduling posts, and you can use Meta Business Suite. Something that has really helped me in my content creation is scheduling posts. If I tell you that I have scheduled a month worth of posts, you may not believe me. I have scheduled at least 10 videos that are going to be coming out in a set time. My videos usually come out on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I have literally scheduled posts that will come out for this month and even the next month. And how have I been able to do that? Now, most of these social media apps actually have inbuilt scheduling features in them. YouTube has an inbuilt scheduling feature, and I'm literally so grateful for that. Instagram has, but the problem with Instagram is that it has to be connected to Meta. You must connect your Facebook in order to schedule posts, and then TikTok, it is TikTok that is the problem. You can only schedule posts on TikTok desktop. So even with TikTok desktop scheduling, there are still some disadvantages, which is why I don't use it at all. I just post my videos directly with TikTok. But for these apps that I've just mentioned, like Meta Business Suite, you can actually schedule your post on Instagram. It's actually really life-changing, scheduling your posts. So when you've scheduled posts for a month's worth, all you need to do is that you start planning the content of the next month. That is how we do it in order to make it sustainable for us. But for those of you that don't like putting your voice out there, AI can actually enhance it, or AI can actually change it. So I released a video
for anyone looking to make making local permit. You just
So in this video, I actually changed my voice. Why I changed my voice is because it was actually louder than my original voice. TikTok wasn't making the volume of the original video I put very loud. So when I changed my voice, it actually increased the voice, and it actually made it more funny. I gave it that humorous effect. You can use AI to change your voice in your reels, in your videos, in your YouTube channel. You can use AI to change your voice. And these tools are actually embedded in some of the social media apps, for example, TikTok. The next one is repurposing your content like a pro. Basically what that means is that you can take a particular video idea, your content idea, and out of that content idea, several different types of forms of content can come out of it. For example, this particular title that I'm talking about, which is different tools that you can use to make your content creation journey easier, I've actually turned it into a carousel, I've turned it to a YouTube video, I've turned it to a TikTok, and I've turned it to an Instagram reel. How did I do that? Once again, ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT to take one content idea and turn it into several forms of content like I've just mentioned, and it's going to do that for you. It's going to generate captions that are tailored to the different social media apps that you're going to post it on. That is literally how easy it is now to become a content creator in 2025. So if you've been dreaming or wishing to be a content creator in 2025, now is the time to actually jump on it, to actually start instead of dreaming and wishing. AI has made it so freaking easy, except you don't have a phone. And if you don't have whatever it is that you are using to watch this particular video, you can use it to do content creation. People are now using their Androids. basically like me. Some of the videos you see on this channel is my Android phone, and my real me was 50. Because until I save to get an iPhone, I have an Android, and I'm going to go. That is not going to stop me from putting out content. Is it your camera? Is it content ideas? Is it the tools? If you don't know how to do video editing, there are apps. There's Reels app. There are apps that can actually do video editing for you. So there's actually nothing, like if somebody walks up to me, I'm like, I've always wanted to be a content creator. I love what you're doing, but I can't really do it because of this. Like, I'll be like, what's your excuse? You don't have an excuse. You don't have an excuse not to do content creation if you wanted to, except you don't want to, except you're nonchalant about it. Content creation is something that I dream about. When I sleep, I dream about it. When I wake up, I think about it. When I eat, I'm thinking of the next content. I dream about it. Go and check these tools that I just mentioned and use it to start creating your content. You can start by, especially if you don't want to get burnt out, you can start by working on the content, generating content ideas. When you are ready to batch film, you batch film your videos. That's how you do it. That's how we do it over here. And if you enjoyed the video, I'm confident you're going to enjoy other videos in my channel. So I hope that you go check it out. Bye.